Alright guys, welcome back to NSTA. I just made a forecast in my group. This is our group. And I made a view on a crude oil. I have updated to all the traders about this move that I'm expecting a one downside. Now this downside can appear from a little bit up or wherever, but whenever this trend line is broken, you're expecting a big move for the downside, almost similar to this move. So that's almost like 100-200 points down. Let me just confirm that. So yeah, it's 200 points down. So we're expecting 200 points down on crude oil in a few days. So it's a swing trade I have updated to all my traders. So let's see how does this plays out. We are very damn sure that this possible structure is making a corrective structure in relationship with this impulse. So this itself, we are expecting a three-wave pattern somewhere there. And once market reach there, I'll update the further to the clients that whether we want to keep it for more downside or we want to book the profit because this market might accumulate some more for the buy direction here. So let's see what happens with this view. I'll be updating you once this is finished. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Alright guys, welcome back to the crude oil update. Now you can see the target is achieved, which we were expecting. We were expecting a three-wave possible structure and we were so sure about it. You can see that. And the reason we are sure about it because we understand the wave analysis, we understand the concept of the market, and you can easily see that this broke the structure, giving you a possible corrective structure for the downside on a lower time frame. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you just have your 200 points down move in your favor. Now getting these kind of returns from oil and having confidence in your direction is very rare in the market, but it's doable. It's very much achievable if you know how to do it properly. So when you come to the lower time frame, you see they broke this structure and giving you this 1, 2, 3 corrective structure with this reversal pattern. You combine that information and boom, you have yourself a good trade. So that is how we crack down this move from crude oil. If you want to have live update, real-time update, you can join our trading room. It's just 100 rupees a day because the market is a jungle and you need a route map to get out of it safely. Alright guys, so that's us from oil. Now the traders who are already in it, I have already updated them that we need a further consolidation. Booking the first target there, wait for the next consolidation. As long as you remain under this trend line, you're expecting this market to tag this, and once it comes here, go for the second target. So let's see what happens and I'll see you with another update. Until then, trade with care. Bye-bye.